Okay, so for this one, what we're going to do is basically the exact same process as we do for the p-value, but we're just going to gather different information from our results. So I'll open in StatCrunch, and again, we're going to run the hypothesis test. So we'll take stat, t-stats with paired data, and we'll say column A and column B for the two samples. And then what we'll do is for the hypothesis test, it looks like we have a two-tailed test. Let's go ahead and save the differences just in case we end up carrying later, and then compute. And what we see is, as before, we have the p-value, but here now is the t-stat. So negative, let's see, it wants 2 decimal places, so negative 0.21 should be our answer here. And sure enough, there it is. So basically it's the same process, but you're just reading a different part of the result. There's the t-stat, there's the p-value. There's two different methods. Remember, you could always look at the p-value and compare it to alpha when you decide whether to reject. You can also look at the t-stat and compare it to the critical value when you're deciding whether to reject or not. So in this particular case, you're making the decision using the t-stat method as opposed to the p-value method.